Welcome to the tutorial. Today we will see how can we create calendar a GUI calendar using Python. Okay, we will use Tinker. So let's start and import the Tinker from Tinker. Import asterisk. Now we will use the calendar module. It's a very simple program actually. You will see. Now let's create the root for our GUI calendar and now let's also create the main loop and let's try to run the program now, and it's currently very empty. Okay, so now let's set title now, root dot title. Now let's type my own GUI calendar. Okay, let's move forward and let's set the year to be 2020. Okay, sorry, 2020. We will calculate the we will create the calendar for the year 2020, that is this year, this present year. Now let's create a variable inside which that is my calendar. Okay, we will create calendar from this using calendar dot calendar, and inside this we will type year. Okay, so any year sorry uh, for any year for which you want to create the calendar, you will type it here. Okay, that is I am currently typing here 2020. You can type any year here. So we will then type calendar dot calendar, and inside this that year which we have declared here. Okay, now let's move forward and type calendar year. Okay, as label, that is we want to now set the calendar which we have created here. You can see this is the whole calendar data for the year 2020, and we will set this calendar data into the label of that GUI, which GUI, that is the root widget. Okay, and let's give some text now. Text as the, you should know, my cal, because the because we want to show our calendar inside the label widget. Now let's move forward and pack the created calendar here using dot pack, and let's see whether it's working or not. And as you can see, it's working fine, and here is the title. You can make it more functional. Now it's actually not looking so nice, so let's set some fonts now. Here we will use the font as font equals to, we will use consolas. Okay, and size to be 10 and make it bold. Okay, now let's again run, and as you can see, this time this is very clear from the last time. You can make this calendar more usable, or you can say you can create some buttons, and you can get this here from the user during the runtime. Okay, like when I run this here, this is actually coming directly for the year 2020, but you can set one entry here so that you can take the entry from the user, and you will show the calendar for the year which is entered by the user. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and the link for the source code will be available to you in the description. So thanks for watching again.